What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol BBIG for Vinco Ventures. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will of course be an update, and the main thing I want to talk about in today's video is the possibility that we get a bounce off of the bottom end of this sideways channel that we're trading in. Because the trend is so neutral, I figured I would start off with this scenario here. If we get a bounce, it's just simply a rotation to the top end of the trend channel at $3.57. You of course would have to place a stop loss just underneath 3, because if we get the breakdown, we are likely headed towards 263, right? So you don't want to risk this for potentially only this as a reward, which again is why you just use a tight stop underneath 3. 3 is also a psychological area, so if we were to place the stop, I don't know, 293, 292, somewhere in that area, it would be very, it would be a respectable stop loss, very tight here in relationship to the reward potentially on the upswing if it bounces off the low end of the channel. Now, it's not to guarantee that that's what happens, but again, given the neutral trend that we've been trading in here, I wouldn't, say that would be outlandish of a theory or a trade setup into this upcoming week here. Now, of course, if we do break down firmly underneath 3, that setup's no longer really valid, right? If we don't have any intraday reversal pattern off of 3, you're not looking to bottom fish there because we know the downside target, and then of course it's 216 coming from, if I scrunch up the daily time frame, big lows, right? You can see those in here. Anything underneath 216, that definitely takes BBB, too many Bs, 2 Bs, double BIG off our radar for longs. Okay, so 216 line in the sand here inside of the stock. To the upside, if there's going to be a breakout, which again, given the sideways neutral trend that we've been stuck in, I wouldn't really anticipate this, but if there is a breakout, it's up and over 360s to get us into this 430 mark. And let me show you that on the 30-minute time frame. If I zoom in on this section of the chart here, remember that it was prior resistance, a little bit of support on that small dead cat bounce, but nonetheless, on the back test here, resistant once again, 430 is going to be your upside level. Also could be the daily 200 SMA if, that continues to sort of hook a little bit higher here. I can't imagine that it would, given that, prices are trending lower. But nonetheless, you get the idea, right? That's your upside target. For now, I would be patient. I would take it one step at a time. Can we get the reversal from the bottom to the top? And if so, I would at least take off half the position, monitor to see if the other half can break out higher. If not, trail your stop higher, ensure that you lock in some of those profits if we get a bounce off of 3 in the first place, all right? So that's what I've got for you inside of BBIG. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.